title of failed state, then your job is done.
किसी आस-पास के मुल्क में कोई बड़ी दिक्कत पाने वाला पाकिस्तान The top 3 most wanted on the US most wanted terrorists are all in Pakistan.
16 terror trading camps in Pakistan.
We economic hitmen are the first line of defense when we go in and we try to corrupt governments.
We use the state and the non-state actors to achieve the country's strategic or political objectives.
हमें जहाद कश्मीर से क्या, हमने जहाद पाकिस्तान से शुरू करना।
Cheers to the dark future of Pakistan.
कहते हैं अगर अमन चाहते हो तो जंग की तैयारी करो।
हम ये जंग जीत के रहेगा।
My name is Zarrar. I was a part of the special unit in the ISI. We are out there to eliminate the threats to the country before they happen.
Pakistan is a threat, and we have the right to finish what we can't control.
एक टीम को तैयार रखा गया है कि वो निकाल ले या खराब कर दे पाकिस्तान के एटमी असासों को।
Nuclear material could fall into the wrong hand. The US should have confidence that the people around the nuclear arsenal are among the best Pakistan has to offer.
पता नहीं कब, कहाँ और कैसे. I guess that's what love is.
सिंह राजपूत डेडलाइन है।
तो अब शुरू होगा।
Men die, sir. Wars don't die.
So what you will do now?
Find peace, sir. Find peace.